Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Happy Friday. Oh my goodness, happy Friday, right? Happy Friday. I hope you guys got a whole lot of good stuff planned for the weekend or for the rest of the day. Because when we look up, it'll be Monday all over again and then a whole new week. But anyway, I was sitting here making some bracelets and I'm using some of the cones that I got, the bead cones that I got, I think yesterday or the day before. So I was sitting here trying to figure out what I want to do with them, how I want to use them. So I did match them with the yin yang bead because it's flat. And I was thinking, okay, it's kind of hiding the yin yang, the dot part on it. So you really don't know that's what type of bead it is, but it's still fine. Um, as long as I can see the black and white, like what I really just wanted to see. So I think it came out to be a really nice bracelet. And then I matched it with some of the glass beads, that hand painted wood bead, and then one of these stone beads. Let's see, let's put this one on too. I think they came out really nice. I really, really like the way they look. So it's just a matter of finding beads and then figuring out a way to match the beads with these cones because the way that they're shaped. But I think that came out really nice. So we're going to go ahead and make another one of these real quick because I do have enough of the same supplies to make about four, maybe five of these same type of bracelets so I can put them on the website. And then that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Stretch my cord out a little bit. So I didn't have to try to widen the cone at all. I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it like it is. These are really pretty. Just really nice. I had got I wonder if any of you guys have gotten it too. I got an invitation to collaborate with Toomey. And I'm sure they sent it out probably to everybody because it doesn't seem like there's anything exclusive about their little offer for their influencer program. For their little influencer program, it looks like they try to hit up anybody and everybody they can that have a YouTube channel or that's posting content. So what happened is it took me forever. I finally, the lady, I ain't gonna say her name, she'd be hot in email in your email box, right? So I said, well, let me go ahead and take a look and see, what they offer and all the one, two, three. So I did go in and they gave me a nice little seating bonus that I could use to, purchase some things. So I finally said, you know what, let me go ahead and see. I could maybe get some beads and some other stuff from the to me, right? Wait, I can't even find the hole in here. Hold on. So I said, last night I went ahead and, went to their little website and popped into one of the campaigns and said, oh, okay, well, look, I can find some really pretty beads and stuff up in here, right? And a lot of the beads are what we already see on all these other websites or even maybe in the craft stores that we go into. So I did, went through it, probably took me 30, maybe 45 minutes. I say between 30 and 45 minutes to actually look at beads and look at their supplies and do all that. So by the time I finished, I had about 56 items in my cart. Okay. And the 56 items that I selected were items that had between 50 and 100 beads. Okay. So that's what I selected. And then as I went to check out using the seed credit that they gave me, it came back saying order failed. So I'm like, well, why is the order failed when you gave me, what you gave me? And then it said something about to only have 15 items or less in my cart. That's what I needed, 15 items or less in my cart. So my thought is, well, why would I need 15 items or less, but you gave me this seeding amount? You gave me this amount to be able to try out your product, but then you're going to limit me to what I can purchase with the credit that you gave me. That's stupid to me. I was like, this don't even make no sense right here. You gave me a nice little credit amount, but then you're telling me that I can only use enough of it to purchase 15 items, to get 15 items. So that leaves me with a nice little balance, right? And I was like, see, this right here, this little messiness right here is why I don't be let me pay attention to this. Let me see, did I do this right? I did that. Then I did the bead. Oh, okay. Then I put one of these. I don't need to put this on. See, just running off at my mouth. But I didn't like that. It's like, okay, if you're gonna give it to me, give it to me, and I'm gonna utilize it how I want to utilize it. So their whole thing is, they meaning to me, their whole thing is, once you get the product and everything, they want you to make a video. Wait, let me pay attention, because I don't even know if I got this on here right. And then we got that. Then we got the bead. Then we got the comb. Yeah, I think we got it right. It's easy to get off track when you talking and trying to bead at the same time. And I was like, see, and I ended up with 15 items. Like what it said, you can only get 15 items, and then once you get your package, they want you to actually do, like do a video. But see, I'm messy. I've been on refuse that package, and that package will go back to them because I don't like the way they did that. So their whole thing is, we're gonna send you a certain amount, and then the certain amount that we send you, you have to do a video on what it is that you got from us, and then when you do that video, you have to upload it, I think, to their website or something, and then the portion of what you have as a credit that's there, then you can use that. 2, 4, 5, 6. So their whole thing is, with a lot of these businesses, is we give you free product and you market us. But my whole thing is, yeah, but that, what happens with that is, you continue to make money. 2, 4, 6. You continue to make money off of free advertisement. So they done thought that stuff through, and especially if you're a channel and you're a growing channel, they already done figured that part out. Like, okay, it's a growing channel, it's this, that, or the other. So we will always get, more than likely, always get business from, that particular channel or Instagram page or whatever. It's because they're growing. And I had thought about that last night after I placed a little order. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna refuse their package. 2, 4, 5. Because I thought about, the strategy behind it too. And I was just like, I'll be saying that all the time. I'm not doing that unless I want to, because that's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Because that's like free advertisement for long term, So that means somebody getting something from you free. But then they do have it to where you can keep getting free items and credits and that type of stuff. And I'll think about it to see if I really want to do it or not. So these are really pretty. I really like the way these came out. These are gorgeous, very elegant. They almost put you in the mind of, like those movies. The one movie was Hercules. I forget what you call that time, but Hercules, were what's that man's name? The Rock was in it, and this kind of looks like the type of jewelry that they wear. during those times, the bracelets and that type of thing. But I really like the way this came out. Really pretty with these glass beads. Very pretty. I'm really liking this part. You know, what these cones are doing. Cones are giving life. Anyway, darling night for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.